Hello guys, welcome in Angel Tips and Tricks. Today I want to tell you about safety trip using motorcycle. So check this out, okay?
Okay, before I trip with my friend with motorcycle, first I check my motorcycle machine. If it's work or it has a problem, we need to know first before we go traveling with motorcycle. If you don't know anything about motorcycle machine, you just broke it to mechanics so they will check it for you. And don't forget to if you have a problem, you can tell the mechanic so they will fix it for you. You can check your motorcycle condition, like the tire or the lamp. Is the lamp turn on or not? Check the sound of the motorcycle. So let's take a look. Okay. It works with my motorcycle. It's really safety.
You can check my luggage in my motorcycle. I have raincoat and I have sandals or flat shoes if I want to switch my shoes into one of them.
And then after you check your motorcycle machine, you need to prepare for yourself. It's like a helmet, jacket, shoes, a raincoat, or mask, or glove to prevent your body from dust or from sunburn in the road. It's not good for your respiratory organ, and if you're wearing a mask, your respiratory organ will be a little bit prevent, not totally prevent, okay? But we can just anticipate it from the dust in the air pollution in that road, okay? Okay guys, that's a little tips for me, and thank you for watching. And sorry because I'm not an expert, so I can give you a specific tips, but I hope that it's really helpful you. It's same as me as a beginner to trip with motorcycle. And don't forget, safety first, okay? Goodbye and see you next time at Angel's Tips and Tricks. Goodbye.